Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Easy English Alpha to Omega YouTube channel. And dear friends, you know very well that these days so many accounts of Google are getting hacked, and that is happening because of certain apps which are dangerous, and certain countries are making some kind of illegal moves against us, and because of that this is happening. So how you can find out that some app is very dangerous for your mobile? So you have to find out that certain app is very dangerous for you, but there is certain ways. So in this video we are going to find out that how you can find out that certain app is made in which country. So if you really want to find out and make your mobile secure, then definitely this video is for you.
So simply I am going to Play Store of my mobile and I will show you. For example, games. If I open any app, okay, so see it has a rating of 4.1. Some people who are already using it have written some information about this app, and there when you scroll down you are able to see developer contact. It is clearly stated here. Email is given, an address, 2 West Street, New York, USA, of course. So developer is from USA. Very clear. Then you go to another app. For example, Temple Run. Go to the ratings and reviews, 4.1. Then scroll down. There are some people who have already written reviews about this app. Here you can click and you can read all the reviews also if you want. Here you are going to developer contact. See, address is clearly given. Okay. So in case there are certain problems, let's try to see. See, this application maker is from Oman. It's very clearly visible. Let's go to this again. Here some reviews are there. Developer contact. This particular developer is from Ireland. Very clearly given. Now let's try to find out some apps such as camera. Let's see some camera. Okay, so I'm trying to open this beauty camera plus some app. Okay, so what I am trying to tell you is that you should keep your close eye on ratings and reviews. Here the rating of this particular app is 3.9. so please avoid downloading those apps which have a review of less than 4. Now I am going to the developer. Now see, earlier 3 apps I have shown you. So there the country was clearly visible. Here simply email address is given. So with email address you simply can't trust the person. So little bit doubtful it seems. Don't know, you know. So whenever you have such sort of question mark, please avoid downloading such app. Directly what you are doing that you are simply giving permissions of everything, location also, everything, all permissions you are giving to all apps. So just try to find out that if you are giving permissions of every kind to all the applications, then do they really require it? You should find it out first. For example, see, there is some scanner app. So scanner app generally it doesn't require a location. and access to contacts. Why does it want access to contacts? You should think before giving all the permissions to all the apps. Again, you can check those permissions from your settings. From your settings, you definitely can find out. And again, you can, if you are already given the permissions to certain apps of all kinds, you can cancel those permissions over there. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share. Just yesterday, one of my friends have got his account hacked. So I thought that this information could be helpful to many of you, and his account has been kept on recovery by Google. So that's why I thought that I should make a video on this, so that that will create some awareness about these sort of things which are happening, because due to lockdown, all of we are stranded in our homes and we are operating from our homes, and again, internet is the only way that we have. So hackers are also have become very active. So again, you can set 2-layer security for your Google account. So unless and until you have a mobile, you simply can't open that particular account. So all your devices also you can verify on Google. So only those devices will have access to your Google account, and you can definitely find out that which of the accounts having direct access to your Google account. Simply go to the settings in Google, so you can definitely find it out. So that's what I wanted to share to you, dear friends. So I hope that this information will be helpful to you to keep your account safe and secure. Again, definitely I would like to request you that if you like this video, then definitely share it to your friends, because this is very important information that might be helpful to them. And of course, comment, and thank you very much once again.